guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a budget with me for the month of February. So let's get right into it. So if you guys haven't checked out my closeout budget for the month of January, check it out. It's either going to be in the iCards above or it's going to be in the end of this video, so you guys can go and check it out. So February is "No one is ever too lost to be saved." I love that. I love that quote so much. So I haven't done my spread, and I will be doing it. So you guys will probably see it in my first paycheck for the month of February. So we're just going to get right into the monthly budget for February. So I already wrote out everything. All I'm going to do is plug in the numbers. So I plugged in the numbers already for my income, which is going to be $13.20. So that's what my income is going to be for every month. The things that might change are my side hustle or my Uber Eats. Some of you guys may know I do Uber Eats. If you guys want to join, there's going to be a link in the description box below. You can sign up for. I do walking. I haven't done it in about, I think, 2 weeks because it's been really, really cold, and now we're snowing. So that's gonna be that. Let me get my calculator because I'm definitely gonna need that. So $13.20 plus $2.50 plus 50 equals $16.20. So this is what I'm hoping to make in the month of February. $1,620. So giving, you guys already know I'm not doing giving. I try to give, on the side if I have an extra dollar or two, or if I have food in my bag when I go to work, I would give whatever's in my bag. This here, I don't have to really share that with you guys, but just so you know, because I know you're gonna see this empty. So rent is going to be $500. Cable is gonna be $143 because I rounded off. My Sprint bill, which is my phone bill, is gonna be $150. I'm hoping Sprint will be lowered in the next, I'm gonna say 2 to 3 months, because I'm paying off those phones and they're almost to the end because I was on a promotion. I had a promotion which was a buy one get one free. So I only paid for really one phone, but of course, 2 bills. And I'm hoping to come to an end so my bill could be way lower. And then Capital One, I'm hoping that it stays at 117. For some reason, January was 142. But with me, putting down the amount of money that I did for the month of January, I'm hoping that my monthly payment is going to be a little lower than that. And then Freedom is $80. Apple Music is $14.99. My storage, which I have to call Apple so they could take that off, because I noticed that I am paying 99 cents. I'm like, whoa, Okay, guys, so I have my MCA here this time, and that's gonna be $132. That's gonna be for the unlimited for the month. I felt like if I do it for the month, I save me, I think. Actually, no, this is weekly. So it's $33 times 4 is $132. So let's add this up. So 500 plus 143 plus 150 plus 117, 80, 14.99, 99 cents, and 132 is $1,137.98. And then as far as my cable, I'm hoping I'm on a contract with them because they got me last year, you know, during the pandemic. So I'm hoping my cable by July, I think the contract is up June, July, I believe. I'm cutting my cable, and that money is going to be going into debt. So the remaining from here is 20, take away, oh, wait, whoa. It's going to be 482, 482.02, 482.02. Okay, so food, you guys already know. I'm not budgeting anything, which I know I'm going to try to budget in March for the food, just in case they cut me off on the school money. Pet, I'm going to budget 25. Household, I'm gonna budget 20. Miscellaneous, I'm gonna budget 20. And beauty's gonna get nothing. So 25 plus 40 equals $65. And then we're gonna come down to my sinking funds, and my sinking funds, I'm gonna budget $20. Vet emergency fund, $20. Christmas, I'm gonna budget 10. Birthday and gifts, I'm gonna do 5. Oh, come on, pen. Senior dudes, I'm gonna do 5. My pen is acting up. Move, home and move, I'm gonna do 20. I don't see these, some of these pens, this is the part cool. Some of them, they just be skipping. Car, I'm gonna do 20. 52-week savings, that's my challenge. I'm not gonna do anything for that, but for college fund, I'm going to do $10. Yeah, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. If you hear loudness in the back, I do apologize. It's my mother, and of course, you know, who's doing a video? Not me. So 20, and then 20 and 10 is 110. So that's what I'm going to be budgeting for. I could either go over or I can go under. So let's see. And then my savings for future is going to be, I'm going to budget $20. And then, so this is a total of 20. Oh, this pen is driving me crazy. Okay, so I have $482.02 left. So 482.02, take away 65, take away 110, take away 20. You see what oh no, I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. And then I'm gonna do for Capital One, I'm gonna do 237. I know I'm pushing it. I know I am. Right? Which that's gonna leave me. The 2 cents. I just throw the cents into my savings account. And then for here, I'm gonna say cushion is gonna be $50 again. It's gonna be $50 again. And there go my zero base budget. So take away 237 equals $50. Take away 50. And there go my zero base budget. Whew. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Last month, I was a little scared. I was like, I'm not gonna be able to do this because I have a habit of just taking money from envelopes. But I'm not gonna lie, like, these envelopes are everything to me. Like, pet, household, miscellaneous. I might add some other stuff here. I'm gonna see if I could redo this and make it my own. So I might just take this out here, make this shorter, because my expenses, I don't have that much expenses. So I might make it shorter and then make sinking funds longer, and then maybe the cash envelope longer, and make it my own. Because I really like this setup. It works for me. So yeah, guys. And plus, this is not my my budget sheet. I got this budget sheet off Etsy. I don't remember where I got it from. I think I paid for a bundle, which it came with, you know, the budget payday, you know, bi-weekly. So yeah, and I did a boo-boo, and I did this in color, and I shouldn't have. But yeah, guys, so this is my zero-based budget. I hope you guys enjoy. This is low income. I'm sharing real numbers with you guys. If you enjoy these videos, please give me a thumbs up. It shows me that you guys like these type of videos, and I want to continue to bring this out because it can help someone. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll be seeing everyone in my next video.